Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. How often can you find a GTO convertible that's had one owner all of its life? Well, that's what we're looking at here. 1968 GTO, one owner car. I just bought it from the son. His father passed away and has owned this car since new. We've got documentation here. I did a body off frame restoration, a real high quality off frame restoration. I drove this car home 2 nights ago, and honestly, it's got to be one of the best driving cars I've ever driven here. Just smooth as can be. From the steering and the ride, every bit of it was just so nice. Visit volocars.com as you can read all the specs, study the pictures, and get the price. Not only on this one, but we do have a few hundred collector cars all for sale. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new videos are posted. But right now, that top is down. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, I drove this home the other day, and I must have told myself in my head, this is the nicest driving old car I've ever been in. It just rode. You go over, there's a stretch of road that's bumpy, and some of these pro touring cars that are lowered, it's just like bam, bam, bam. This thing was just smooth. You give it the gas, it just accelerates smooth. There's no shimmies, there's no shakes, there's no rattles, no vibration. Accelerated, stopped, shifted, everything's so smooth. So anyway, body was off the frame, restored. The bottom of the car is all restored, rebuilt, and detailed. The floors, the frame, it's all beautiful. The whole front end suspension and steering was all apart, rebuilt, detailed. It's got new correct exhaust system. You might notice one muffler's bigger than the other one. That was a Pontiac thing. That is correct. I tried looking it up once. I don't know why that is. Maybe in the comments someone can tell us why one muffler is bigger than the other, but that's not wrong. That is actually correct. The fuel system, the brakes, all of that's been redone. It has the VIN number matching turbo 400 automatic, the VIN number matching 400 motor. Both of those were rebuilt. The body and paint is excellent. This thing is probably better than when it was new because it's a glass finish. When it was new, they had a texture. But this is slick as can be. The gaps are nice. Big desirable option, the hideaway headlights. I've said it before, I don't know if I would personally own one of these without that. I like it that much. And it's all restored. The front rubber bumper fits beautifully. There's no nicks, no cracks. A lot of times the paint cracks. I don't see any of that. This is all just like yellow glass. It has Rally 2 wheels with the right lug nuts, the right center caps, the trim, all of it like brand new. Radial redline tires. This is all spotless, smooth, new emblem, rocker molding, looks like new. Windshield, all this trim is real nice. They did not redo this right here. This is the original vinyl strip and it gets rubbed and worn. That's still original. Vent window frames, the rubber, the window seals, door handle, all that looks excellent. Trunk fits perfectly square. Emblem, bumper, tail lights, all that's redone. This is all nice, smooth, no bubbles. All really, really nice. Look at the gaps are spot on. No bubbles, no issues, no damage. It's got a remote mirror. That's been rechromed. All of this is beautiful. I don't see any issues. That's real high quality body and paint work. We'll pop the hood open. I did not try the headlights. I'm going to bet money they work because the rest of the car is just so nice, but we'll try those in just a minute when I start it. So it's the motor that it was born with, VIN number match, was completely rebuilt, and everything in here. The right valve covers, the clips for the wires, the vacuum hoses. I mean, it looks like factory new. It has power steering and power brakes. It's a cadmium plated booster. All the metals painted beautifully. Air cleaner assemblies restored. Has the heat riser tube going down to the exhaust manifold. The right spring clamp battery cables. Radiator cap. Everything looks proper. Interior is real nice. It's got Pontiac floor mats. Door panels are real nice. Looks like one of the clips are maybe popped out right here. Actually, there's a warp right here on the edge. I do think it's missing a clip though. Dash pad, visors, mirror, seats all look really nice. Side panels, the interior lights work. It's a black convertible top. It's power. It's like brand new. I just put it down and put the boot on. It has the rally gauge cluster and the clock. The clock and the AM radio do not work. The Hurst dual gate shifter. Now you put it over in the other slot and you can speed shift without going into reverse by accident. Just kind of a nifty thing to have in there, the old Hurst dual gate. Trunk compartments all restored as a matching tire and wheel for a spare. The jack is restored. Comes with a nice car cover. Has a working trunk light. Bottom of the trunk lid and the jamb are all painted real nice. Has a really nice spatter finish paint job in there. The decal, the weather strip, all that's been replaced. GM radiator hose. And why don't we start it up? I knew I wouldn't have to get in the car, but I will just to rev it up. And it does look like the headlights did open. Yep, they opened all the way. The wiper motor looks new. All the hoses are hooked up. It's a very high quality, one owner, number matching, frame off restored GTO convertible. I couldn't imagine anyone getting this car and not being happy with it. I thoroughly enjoyed driving it. It was just so comfortable. Visit volocars.com. I just gave you my honest impression of this car. If you have specific concerns or questions, feel free to ask the salesman at volocars.com. They can also make delivery, financing, and all the paperwork real easy for you. So let us know how we can help you there. If you just enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.